Hey friends, if Chrome extensions are not showing in the toolbar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Now, we have a path for you. You can simply copy paste it and go to this path. Okay, now the extensions show here. If these extensions are not showing in the toolbar, that is normal because all extensions do not show in the toolbar. A few extensions show in the toolbar, but if you have an extension that should show in the toolbar, it is activated and it is still not showing, then all you need to do is reset Chrome. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and select settings. Go to reset settings, select restore settings to the original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.